Yo, welcome to the first YouTube video on my channel. Now right behind me is my car. It is a 2018 Mark 8 Ford Fiesta ST Line X, and in its current state it is completely stock. Boring! But who likes a stock car, right? So in this video I'm going to be installing the first modification for my car. So this is the first modification for the car. It is a TRC front splitter in gloss black. So this is just going to be sitting right underneath the front bumper like that. Yeah, I think it's going to look sick. I'm going to try and do it without taking the front bumper off, and hopefully this goes well. First things first, we'll get the car jacked up and then we'll continue on from there. Cool, so now the car's jacked up, it's on axle stands. Next thing I've got to do is take the under tray off so I can access where the nuts are going to be when we install the splitter. So after taking out 6 T30 bolts and 2 push clips, the under tray is now off. Next thing I've got to do is line the splitter up and then drill the holes. Right now I'm just using the jack to try and get the splitter lined up. Alright, boom, so the splitter's now currently being held by some clamps. So the TRC splitter comes with all the nuts and bolts and washers required to fit the splitter. So I'm just going to grab one now and then you can try to put it onto the splitter. So I'm just going to put the bolt in from the bottom and then put the washer onto the bolt. A bit tricky. Washers on the bolt, then I'm going to get the nut and then put the nut on top of the bolt. So the bolt goes in from underneath the splitter and then the washer goes on top of it from the top of the front bumper, and then the nut will go on top like that, and that's how it sits. Cool. wait, let me Alright, so after some blood, I've got every single nut and bolt in except for the middle one. Let me just get this middle one done and the splitter will be installed. Final hole needs to be drilled. Let's just get this. so fiddly, man. Yeah, I think that should be alright. Cool. All the bolts are now tight. Yeah, that looks sick. What do you think, Thomas?
Oh, it looks sick, man. It looks way more stealthier. 100.
I'm happy with that. That's cold. That looks hard. Alright, finally, the splitter's on. It's all tight. Under tray's on as well. That's all tight. As you can see, that's not gonna go nowhere. Sweet. Let's let the car down. So aggressive. That's sick. Cool, so I think I'm gonna end the video there. The splitter was an absolute nightmare to fit, but it's definitely worth it. I think it looks amazing. It looks so much more aggressive. Let me know what you guys think of the splitter down below. Massive shout out to Dylan behind the camera.
Love.
And yeah, man, love.